Assalamu alaikum. Here I am talking about the topic of old age healthcare facilities. There are many old age homes in Pakistan according to the Social Welfare Department of Punjab. First old age home was established in 1975 under the name of Afayat in Lahore. After that, 5 more old age homes were established in district of Multan, Sahiwal, Narowal, Toba Taxing and Rawalpindi. According to the Social Welfare Department of Sindh, in Sindh, 6 organizations are giving shelter protection to more than 150 older people. But the actual number is much more than the reported figures. In Karachi, these homes are managed by private NGOs or faith-based organizations. Example, the Catholic Church manages the several shelter homes in Karachi, where the resident minimal fees, and some are managed by other faith-based communities functioning with the help of volunteers and donation support. ED Foundation is an example of a service provided by an NGO where abandoned older adults are housed. Approximately 417 residents at the ED old age homes are reported to be benefiting from this organization, although the actual number is underreported, and also many NGOs runs the old age homes in the different provinces of Pakistan. Rising trend of old age homes. Most obvious reason for this trend is the migration of children from their hometowns to metropolitan cities in the search for better education, jobs and improved lifestyle, and also the lack of physical, emotional and financial support, especially from their children and their families. Circumstances of leaving home. 3 main circumstances of leaving home: lack of support system, insensitive behavior of children, impact of global change. Support system. One elder person was desperate to share their experience of not being provided with the physical, emotional and financial support from their children. As I growing old and was dependent on them for food, shelter and clothing, daily life activities. The elder person also expressed that despite fulfilling the responsibility of educating, bringing them up until they were adults and settling them down, the children did not pay back in terms of meeting their parents' expectations. Husband cried while narrating his feelings. She never gave me food. At times, I survived on an empty stomach for days. I stood up and told them after 3 days of staying on an empty stomach, they were eating chicken biryani. I told them to give me if there is some left after all have been fed. My granddaughters crawled towards me and offered me a piece of bread. Then my daughter-in-law said they will give you some if anything is left. Otherwise, she told me to go to sleep. Insensitive behavior of children's insensitive behavior towards their parents, lack of acceptance in the role of father, mother and father-in-laws or mother-in-laws by their children. One elder person told us the rude and harsh comment of his daughter-in-laws. When I told her that I am leaving, she said, "Who has stopped you from going?" It was clear she did not love me and did not want to keep me, so I left home. Impact of global change. Impact of global change is the evidence of children's migration. Children migrated to the Western countries for pursuing higher education and better earning prospects, leaving the elder parents without support. Feelings of loneliness and helplessness. Feelings of loneliness and helplessness. In this, many elder persons share their feelings of isolation, which is resulting of terminal illness of spouse, death of spouse, children, and marriages of their daughters. They need someone to talk, share their concerns. One elder person explained in this word: "I need people around me. Like when I and my husband lived together, he was with me. After his death, I need someone with me. I don't like to live alone." Feelings of isolation. One elder person shared their feelings of isolation at their parting with their daughters at the time of their marriage. Marriage is the cultural custom in Pakistan where the daughters become a part of husband's family after the wedding. Cultural concentrates fear of society, criticism of residing with their married daughters. A helpless father states his views by saying, "He will take me, but I don't want to go. The reason is that she is my daughter. In our society, it is not considered appropriate if a father live in his daughter's house after her marriage. हमारे मुआशरे में अच्छा नहीं समझा जाता कि आप बेटी के घर जाके रहें. I don't want to be burden on them. I don't want her husband taunt her because of me. मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरी बेटी को उसका खामन ताने मारे." Coping with challenges. Many old age peoples were asked to describe how they managed with the challenges and stressful life situations. Every elder person told us that praying in tough time and considered it as a source of spiritual support and relaxation. Faith on God. One elder person expressed his blind faith on religion. I just know that Allah is the one who assists you every second and He will respond to because He is always with you. One and other elder person shared her feelings of satisfaction in the following words. I opened up the Bible and it was written that your brother and sister will leave you, but I will not. I got immense satisfaction after this and prayed to God and thanked Him. Thanks